Welcome to a unique and fulfilling business opportunity from Hindustan Lever Network. Let's take a look at the harsh reality of life today. The stresses of day-to-day life, the ever-increasing costs of living, growing family needs such as education for your children, saving for their dreams and aspirations, new car, bigger home, more holidays. The list is never ending. How do you make ends meet with limited and uncertain earnings? Life passes by while you are busy earning, desperate to save and invest in your family's future. But then, when does life begin? After you've grown tired trying to save for it? You need three things that make your lives worth living: time, money, and security. Time into money into security is equal to happiness. If even one of these elements is missing, you are left unhappy. Leverage time to your benefit. Time to indulge in your favorite hobbies, to spend with your loved ones. Establish an unlimited source of money. Money to fulfill all your wishes, enough so that you never have to worry about spending anymore. Ensure security for generations. Security so that even if you do not go to work for some time, your earnings remain stable for future expenses. There's only one way to get all three: network marketing. Hindustan Lever Network, your partner in success. This is the kind of business that gives you time, the power to add more hours into your day. Money, from I cannot afford it, your situation changes to I know how I can afford it. Security, your earnings come to you even if you're away from work for long periods of time. This opportunity comes to you from Hindustan Lever Network, a division of Hindustan Lever Limited, India's largest consumer goods company. Hindustan Lever Network is a golden business opportunity that gets its strength from Unilever, Hindustan Lever Limited and Aviance Beauty Solutions. Unilever, the parent company of Hindustan Lever Limited, is a global giant in consumer goods with a turnover of more than $50 billion and products sold in over 150 countries. Unilever invests billions in research and development in over 70 innovation centers, the benefit of which is enjoyed by countries like India across the world. Hindustan Lever Network is backed by Hindustan Lever Limited, India's largest fast-moving consumer goods company, with a turnover of more than 10,000 crore rupees. The first HLL product was imported to India in 1888. Today, HLL's brands touch the lives of 2 out of 3 Indians. It is quite unlikely that an HLL product hasn't touched your life yet. To meet everyday needs of consumers everywhere is HLL's corporate mission. From tea and toothpaste to soaps and ice cream, HLL is anticipating and satisfying the ever-evolving needs of the Indian consumer. Aviance, HLL's direct selling initiative, is an international range of customized beauty solutions which is now a part of Hindustan Lever Network as the personal care brand. Hindustan Lever Network's business is supported by 4 pillars of strength. Superior product range, exclusive to Hindustan Lever Network and not the retail market. Home and laundry care from Lever Home. Complete personal care and beauty solutions from Aviance. And a men's care range from Denim Exclusive. A new age compensation plan that rewards you in 7 different ways: stable income, a car, a house, to foreign travel and recognition. The partnership with HLL gives you an advantage that no one else can. With over 1.4 lakh consultants across 1,000 cities in India, 35 service centers across the country, support from HLL, India's largest FMCG company, and as a member of Indian Direct Selling Association. You are not alone. The Hindustan Lever Network Academy will be a real-life business school guiding you every step of the way. Professional business tools, including a success kit with fact file and demo books. Professional product training. Get access to an extensive product knowledge base. Professional business education. Get trained to build and boost your business. With all the financial freedom you enjoy as part of the network, let's take a look at the many ways you will benefit. You could drive a new car, live in a better home, earn a great bonus and travel to exotic destinations. But that's not all. You can't measure some of the rewards coming your way. Joining the network can give you a lot more than you think. Once you become our partner in this business, all you need to do is use the products yourself and believe in them. If you're happy with the products yourself, simply share your experiences with others and earn profits on those. It doesn't stop there. When your customers begin to sell the products themselves, you receive handsome rebates on their sales. Your rewards come from a unique compensation plan, the 7 centers of earning. Immediate profit. Buy at a wholesale price and sell it at MRP. The difference in price is your immediate profit. Performance bonus. Every product you and your group purchase earns you bonus points, on which you earn from 2 to 14% commission. Network bonus. This unique bonus rewards you for remaining a loyal consumer and creating more consumers in the group. Leadership bonus. Depending on the number of leaders you have in your group, you can earn up to 7 levels deep. Carpool. When you have 6 or more managers directly under you, you become a VP and therefore eligible for the carpool, where the company shares a percentage of the profit and divides it among all its VPs. House pool. When you become a president, you are eligible for a house pool, where the company shares a percentage of profit to buy a house of your choice. Special incentives. This is the final topping. From time to time, there are incentives and awards that are announced to give you one more treasure chest to reach out. You start as a consultant, not a dealer, distributor or a salesperson, trained to give valuable advice and information to your clients and contacts. Your next milestone is manager, all the way up to president. Now, how would it feel to be introduced as a director with Hindustan Lever Network or a president with Hindustan Lever Network? 7 earning centers, 7 milestones to success. Just remember the magic number 7, your success mantra. Do you know about 20 people who you wish to take in as partners? At least 10? You don't need even 10. Just take 7. Just sponsor 7 people and start your business with them. Let us see how it works. When you follow the mantra of 7, sponsor 7 and contribute 150 BPs, you are at an earning level of 1,500 rupees. 1,500 rupees is just the beginning. Let us see how this number grows when each of the people you sponsor, called downlines, also sponsors 7 people themselves. With your group now 2 levels deep, your earnings are about 12,000 rupees and you have become a manager. Now let us see what happens when you repeat this one more time. Your title is now Vice President. Your earnings are about 38,000 rupees and that is just your cash earning. As a Vice President, you are also eligible for 2 international conferences and a carpool over and above the cash. From Switzerland to London and Thailand, our Vice Presidents are going places. Just when you thought it couldn't get better than this, at stage 4, you get about 2,20,000 rupees in cash, plus a carpool and 2 foreign conferences. Now you can imagine what happens when this is repeated one more level. How do you get started? It's so simple. Just fill up an application form, get your success kit and attend the new consultant orientation program where you will learn more about running your Hindustan Lever Network business. Also, stay in touch with your upline consultant and visit your nearest Hindustan Lever Network Service Center regularly. So, bring your dreams to reality. With a steady and growing source of income, rewards like car, house and more, national and international travel, personal growth and development, recognition, status and financial independence. Discover India's most promising network marketing opportunity and build a successful and rewarding future with Hindustan Lever Network.